In this video, there is something that is important that I intend to show you. Obviously, you can see from this picture that there is a nylon or a leather here. Now, this is called the damp-proof membrane. Waterproofing is an aspect in construction that helps to protect the structure from deterioration caused by the capillary rise of water or any form of moisture that can attack a building. We know that water can be very dangerous when they are within our structure. It could cause the materials that are being used for construction to deteriorate as fast as possible. Hence, there is the need for us to waterproof our structure. There are two basic types of waterproofing as used in building construction. We have the damp-proof membrane and we have the damp-proof course. What you can see just behind me is called a damp-proof membrane, and basically this is a leather-like material that is spread just across the perimeter or area of the structure. Now, this is actually used just after you backfilled it with laterites, boulders, as well as maybe the sharp sand to provide like an even surface to prevent the DPM from cutting. Now, just like we know, if we should place water just on this side, there is high possibility that this water cannot pass through the other part. Damp-proofing, preventing water from rising from the ground to the upper part of the building. Now, there are other technical aspects that is used to make sure this damp-proofing becomes much more effective. Now, one method is by filling the lower part of the foundation wall with weak concrete. Now, this weak concrete, what it does is that it goes around to hinder any form of rise in moisture from the earth below to this upper part. We don't want our building to be wet, because apart from like it being deteriorated, while the electrical fitting pass through, there might be shock, there might be just coldness in the room, which could lead to mold and some other form of growth, which are not really healthy for the occupant. Hence, I think beyond everything, damp-proofing from the base is important just to protect the structure from any form of rise just below. Now, the other aspect is protecting the building from any form of moisture that could hit the building just from the site. Now, we see modern construction in contemporary designs and construction that they use parapet walls, they want to use closed roof and the rest of them. Yes, these things are important as they bring the building to a new form of design like the current standard. But come to think of it, how do you protect this building from moisture attack from the sites whenever there is rain, to ensure that the structure, while it's being built, there is a form of a chemical that is being mixed with the mortar to provide efficient coverage, and this is another form of waterproofing. Beyond everything, we all know that we need to protect our structure from water. And if you've listened to this my video, it means on your construction site, you must ensure that a damp-proof membrane is fixed properly. And if you're going to follow a design to which you will not be having a roof that has an overhang to protect from both sunlight and from the effect of water, it's important that you use this chemical substance that improve the water repelling capacity of your structure to build.